Welcome back to Bonsai Den Haag. Today I will be showing you the end result of this Juniper. I will be doing the detail wiring and you will see how it will turn out. So if you wanna see how it will turn out, watch till the end of this video and then I will show you how you can style this tree very nice and how it will turn out. So I just finished wiring the first branch and I will be working my way up. Just keep in mind I'm not a professional, I just do this as a hobby and I'm just getting started with bonsai. Let me give you a close-up of the wiring. You can see I try to place the different branches in different planes. So also here you have one branch to give more depth, and so now I will be continue my way up. You can see a little glimpse of the live vein, and I'm working my way up, making some pads, and the last part right now is to make the apex of the tree. So there's still a lot of work to do, make some decisions about which branch to keep, clean it up a little and wire this part of the tree. And what I'm doing right now is I clean with this brush the trunk a little, and with this soft brush I'm cleaning the trunk to pop out the the red color of the tree, so that I can show to you guys the end result of this second styling. So here we are at the end of this video. I finalized the apex and I styled the whole tree. So every branch is a wire to it. And now we'll wait till the tree recovery, and then next year we will place this in a new bonsai pot. The thing that I was doubting about was this branch here. I think I will keep it for now, um, but this branch is one thing I am considering to remove in the future, because it's very at the same place with three other branches right here, and this can cause a problem in the future, structural problem. So probably I will either remove this in the future or the other one right here. Another thing that's nice is the Juniper here and the film at the top. And further, you already saw me cleaning the trunk, and I will also be placing some lime sulfur to the dead wood. Not today, maybe tomorrow or the day after, so we can follow Instagram for more. And Apex was took me a lot of time. I think this is the third day, 10 hours later, that this styling, and I hope you like it. I will keep you posted about this tree in the future. So follow me